Hi, I'm Sheftel with Boston Document Systems. Today, let's talk about the Canon Image Runner and how it can do an awesome thing with C-fold and Z-fold brochures. Let's begin with talking about what is the difference between a C-fold brochure and a Z-fold. This right here is a Z-fold. This means that when you open it, you get a Z. And the reason why you would use this type of fold is because if you were going to put a billing statement in an envelope and see a logo, your logo and your most important information would appear first when pulling it out of an envelope and allow people to read all of the information easily. Only a few copiers on the market do this, and typically you would get either a Z-fold or a C-fold, and Image Runner does both. This is a C-fold brochure, and the difference, as you can see, is if you were to open this and it was a billing statement, your logo would be upside down. If you open this, it makes a C rather than a Z. This is great for traditional brochures where you're opening a top flap and then getting to your middle flap. Whether you're doing a Z-fold or a C-fold matters with your original document and how you design it. The fact that image runners can print both ways means your billing department and your marketing department can both use the same device. For more information on Image Runner copiers by Canon, you can reach us at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel.